Hey guys, Glenny Grits with Glenny Grits Juice here, coming to you from Coach Cheesy's house here in San Diego, California. And tonight we're shooting episode 5, Greens Gone Wild, the Alkaline Solution. Let's go. Hey guys, I want to talk a little bit, as always, about what tonight's episode is all about. Greens Gone Wild, the Alkaline Solution, and alkalizing the body. Alkalizing the body, you can basically think of as ridding the body of all acidity, okay? After regular consumption of green vegetables such that I have here, you're gonna experience better digestion, mental acuity, clearer skin, and just an overall sense of well-being, okay? So I highly recommend green juices. I know I've made a lot in the past that have had a lot of fruit in them. Well, tonight we're doing basically a green-based juice and Greens Gone Wild, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm very excited about this one. Anybody suffering from any kind of diabetes or anything like that, this is gonna help you out a lot, okay? So stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Greens Gone Wild. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce tonight's top talent, the ladies. And let me tell you something, these ladies are special. I had the pleasure of them showing me their grits. Coach Cheesy, come on over here. I wanna show you guys something. First thing I got going here is a nice mixture of greens, spinach, kale, chard, and a new one, Mizuna. It's a Japanese mustard green packed full of vitamins A, C, and K, rich in antioxidants, and it also helps promote eye health. Hey guys, we're talking about our next lady on the list, lemons. Lemons can be great for alkalizing the body, even though there's a misconception that they're full of acid, but once metabolized, they actually aid in alkalizing the body. Next lady I want to talk about is parsley, one of my favorites that I've been incorporating into my diet. It's great for bone health. It's also great, it's rich in antioxidants, and it's chock full of vitamins and minerals. A, C, K, it's got it all. Next up on the list, guys, we have our lady, celery. Celery is an amazing, amazing vegetable, okay, guys? It's got a great source of antioxidants. It helps reduce inflammation, helps support digestion, you name it. Celery is a miracle vegetable. Hey guys, next up on the list, one of my favorite ladies, cucumbers. Cucumbers are a great vegetable for the simple fact they have a lot of antioxidants. They help lower blood pressure, great for hydration. They help aid in weight loss. Just something you should, like I said, put in every green drink you have, as well as celery, things of that nature. Hey guys, we only have a couple ladies left on this list that I want to let you know about, okay? Apples are always in everything that I pretty much put, okay? I know I said this is a vegetable juice, but this apple's actually going to give it the much needed sweetness that it needs for this drink. And believe it or not, apples are not high in sugar content, so you don't have to worry about overdoing it with the sugar, okay? Next, ooh, my lady Ginger. I'm not gonna lie, Ginger, me and you really don't get along. I'm not a huge fan, but the benefits of ginger are overwhelming. So I always incorporate it into my juices. It's good for nausea, digestion. It's an amazing root, okay? Also, last but not least here, guys, we have carrots, okay? Carrots are high in fiber, packed full of vitamins, minerals, and they are just amazing for your eyes, okay guys? So as you have it here, this is my green juice, Greens Gone Wild, the Alkaline Solution by Glenny Grits Juice. Stay tuned as we're gonna get ready to build this bad boy. Hey, come here, I wanna show you something. Boom. Guys, my favorite part, building the juice. Let's go. Gonna get in here, we're gonna mac, bam. Throw some greens in there. Pretty much we're just gonna get after it here, guys. We're not gonna be pretty. I'm not pretty when I juice. You know, I want to talk to you guys a little bit right now while I am building this juice and everything that I do and that I make. I'm a very simple person, okay? I don't have a bunch of fancy glasses or a fancy kitchen or a garden or any of that. I'm a normal dude who juices, okay? And Glenny Grits juice is for the normal person, okay? For the average person, okay? That wants to get healthy and change their lives. So let's just keep it. Love it. Look at how delicious this looks, guys. I mean, come on. If this doesn't look good to you, I honestly, I don't know what to tell you. Embrace change, people. Embrace change. Boom. You know, we're going to get our alkaline base here. This is going to be amazing. Looking good, guys. It's looking really good. All right. Hey, guys, before we cap this bad boy up, you know I'm going to put a couple of my staples that I put in everything. Chia seeds, superfood. Let's go. Can't get enough chia seed. We're going to throw some coconut oil in there, too. Once again, like I said, you want good skin, hair, nails, all that good stuff. Get your coconut oil on, people, okay? That's all I'm saying. Let's go. So excited right now. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. Here it is in all its glory. This is Greens Gone Wild, the alkaline solution, Glenny Grits juice. Keep healthy grits. Let's go. Hey guys, just want to show you a little bit about what's going down here and what this looks like. Look at that goodness. Let's enjoy a glass. Keep healthy grits. Now it's time for the patented Glenny Grits Juice Gulp. For the win. Let's go. So it's so damn good that I have to make Coach Cheesy drink some. Well, actually, I don't need to make him. He wants to.
Big time. Give me that green juice.
There you go, Coach.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Hey, guys. While I have you here, be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, hit the like, drop me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys. Let's go. See you next week.